Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Study Guide. Today we will learn more about these immunology MCQs. We have discussed the 10 MCQ in my previous video. Let's discuss few more MCQs. Here the 11th question. It is the acute inflammation characteristically involves option A constriction of the arterioles, option B capillary endothelial cells enlargement, option C influx of the neutrophils, option D influx of the mast cells. What do you think? What is the correct answer? You can write your answer in the comment box. Answer for this question is the option C. Influx of the neutrophils. Because the neutrophils are chemotactically attracted to the site of inflammation by the C5a and the mast cell chemotactic factors such as leukotriene B4. Let's move toward the question 12. Here the question 12 is the lysozyme. What is lysozyme? Is a cytoplasmic organelle or it activates the complement, it is a proteolytic enzyme, or it splits the peptidoglycan. Basically, the answer for this question is the option D, that it splits the peptidoglycan, because lysozymes are the enzymes which are present on the saliva, and this lysozyme splits the peptidoglycan of the bacteria cell walls. Okay, next question. Question 13. Which of the following is not a, an acute phase protein? Option A. Serum amyloid B component. Option B. Chondroitin sulfate. Option C. C-reactive protein. Option D. Mannose binding lectin. The correct answer for this MCQ is the option B, because this chondroitin sulfate is a cell matrix component, whereas all the others are the acute phase proteins. Let's move toward the question 14th. Here the question 14th is about the interferons. What are these interferons are found only in the mammalian species, are divided into the five main families, or induce the enzyme synthesis in the target cells. Option D only affects infected cells. The correct answer for this is first of all you need to know this what are interferons. Interferons are basically the first um, recognized by the phenomena of the viral interference, in which an animal infected with one virus get registered with super infection by a second unrelated virus, because the interferons are secreted by the infected cells and it is taken up by the nearby cells, and they take it as a signal and start to synthesize cytokines, or these interferons that are not particularly about those viral um, virus, but it is non-specific, but it can be able to handle those virus. So the correct answer for this MCQ is the option C. De-repression of a gene in the target cell result in the synthesis of the protein kinases and an endonuclease. Let's move toward the question 15. Here the question is about the NK cells, that is natural killer cells, do not. Okay, here the do not need to understand what is this do not respond to interferons or contains perforins, contain tumor necrosis factor TNF, or kills only by damaging the target cell's outer membrane. The correct answer for this MCQ is the option D. Okay. Option D is the correct answer because the natural killer cells do not kill only by damaging the target cell's outer membrane. Because perforin inserted into the target cell membrane, thereby facilitating the entry of the tumor necrosis factor and the GRAN enzymes into the target cells also. So the answer is the option D. Let's move toward the next question, that is question 16. Here is another, do not focus on this, do not eosinophils. What are these? And eosinophils do not, option A, stain with the basic dyes. Option B, contains a major basic protein. Option C, contain peroxidase. Option D, give a respiratory burst on activation. Here the correct answer for this MCQ is the option A. This option A, eosinophils do not stain with the basic dyes because they do stain with the acidic dyes. They stain with the acidic dye. So the correct answer for this is the option A. Let's move toward the next MCQ, MCQ 17. It is the polymorphonuclear neutrophils attacks bacteria by option A, exclusively by the oxygen dependent mechanism. Option B, exclusively by the oxygen independent mechanism. Option C, by the phagocytosis. Option D, by secreting the complement. Here the correct answer for this MCQ is the option C, by the phagocytosis, because the ability to ingest bacteria and kill them is a major feature of these professionals' phagocytic cells. Loss of neutrophils renders the host very susceptible to overwhelming infections. Let's move toward the question 18th. Here the question 18 is a complement component which is strongly chemotactic for the neutrophils. It is basically asking about the chemotactic factors from the complement system. Which of them is the chemotactic agent? It's the C9, C5a, C3, C3b. Basically, the smaller fragment is the chemotactic fragment, and here the option B has the smaller fragment, that is C5a is the chemotactic agent. So answer for this is the option B. C5a is a powerful chemotactic agent and also an anaphylatoxin. Let's move toward the question 19th. Here the question 19th is about the acute inflammation. Question is, the acute inflammation can be initiated by option A, mast cell activation. Option B, influx of the neutrophils. Option C, an increase in the vascular permeability. Option D, C3. The correct answer for this is the option A. Acute inflammation can be initiated by the activation of the mast cells. Activation of the mast cells releases the chemotactic factors for the neutrophils and also vasoactive mediators such as histamine. Let's move toward the question 20. Here the question is, the initial complement component that is bound by complement fixing antibodies is option A, C1q, option B, C1s, option C, C3b, option D, C5a. The correct answer for this is the option A, C1q. Here, the constant region of the IgM and of the IgG1, G2 and G3 antibodies first bind to the C1q after the antibody has been complexed with the antigen. This eventually leads to the generation of a C4b2b convertase that is called the C3 convertase, which splits the C3. So the option A is the correct answer for this MCQ. We have finished with the 20 MCQs. Thank you very much. Please subscribe this channel for the more MCQs like this in the immunology and the other topics also. Thank you very much.